this is Promise, the service that helps you cut off your dependencies. Let me introduce our persona, Usik. He is a college student in Sinchon and really loves alcohol. His midterm exam result is not good because of his heavily drinking habit. So Usik wants to cut off alcohol during his final exam period. Oh, he goes to drink again. Then his friend Hyungjo recommended him to use this service, Promise. He said, this service will help one to share the challenge through empathy and induce active participation from his friend. When the challenge started, Usik posted his challenge page on the Facebook. Public commitment in fact will be helpful for maintaining his will. So, he does not drink today, right? Friends can send him their empathy by message, poking, or betting. His determination weakens sometimes, but he remembers that if he could stand a month more, he can get an iPad. There comes a time when it is really hard to just stand. We will give him the chance of soft failure so he can temporarily stop his challenge and enjoy one-day freedom. Oh, he looks really happy. But he does it again without his token from soft failure. Hyungjo saw him break his determination. He took a photo and reported it on Promise. Then Usik got a notice that his challenge is failed. This is Promise by Denim State.